Alright, this is exactly on stop. 1 stop over, 2 stops over, 3 stops over, 4 stops over, and I think we're done for. I'm going to shoot one more just to be sure. 5 stops over. So this is back on stop, all centered. We're going to start going down now. This is down 1 stop, down 2 stops, down 3 stops, down 4 stops, down 5 stops from all centered, and I think we're out. I'm going to capture one more to be sure. This is down 6 stops, all contrast settings centered. Okay, so now eye dynamic is on, and I dropped the contrast all the way. Interestingly, my overall exposure at the same settings as the last test went up by just over half a stop. I suspect that's eye dynamic, but we'll confirm that with the next test. 1 stop over, 2 stops over, 3 stops over, 4 stops over, 5 stops over. I think we're there. I'm going to go one more to be sure. 6 stops over. Okay, we're back at dead center. All flat, 1 stop under. All flat, 2 stops under. All flat, 3 stops under. All flat, 4 stops under. All flat, 5 stops under. All flat, 6 stops under, and I still see a little bit of detail. This is all flat, 7 stops under, and basically there's no way this is possible. I suspect the eye dynamic feature is cheating the exposure up a little bit. So this one is flattened contrast, flattened shadow highlight. This is 1 stop over, this is 2 stops over, and it's actually looking really good. 3 stops over, nope, it just blew out faster at the last minute. This is 4 stops over at all flat. This is all centered again with the all flat. This is 1 under, this is 2 under, 3 under, 4 under, 5 under all flattened, and there's still a little bit of detail. Whoa, it's still there! 6 under, so it does look like that can save a little bit of detail with that shadow highlight curve. So this is the last test. This is with contrast left centered, just using the shadow highlight curve. We're going to see how much dynamic range we can get out of this. 1 over, 2 over, 3 over with curves only, 4 over with curves only. So it looks like at the high end we don't gain anything no matter what settings we use. We're back to the center with curves only, and we're going to head down. 1 stop under, curves only. 2 stops under, curves only. 3 stops under, curves only. 4 stops under, curves only, looking pretty good. 5 stops under, curves only. Yeah, curves are causing magic here. 6 stops under, curves only, and it looks like I've still got a little bit of detail. So this is flattened absolutely as far as you can go. This is Cine D at the stock contrast settings.